Hi everyone, Emily with MarineMax in Nisswa. We have a 2026 Premier 230 Solaris RF powered by a Mercury 250 Verado. Climbing into this boat, we got a really nice lighted ski tow bar. The interior is firewood edition. New for 2026 is this really nice stitching in the seats. What I love about the Solaris models are the armrests now that are on the back and the front of this boat. Really nice relaxing feature. Coming to the helm, we have the dual SIM rod, of course, your digital shift throttle, wireless phone chargers, huge ski locker now. So open this up, have tons of space for all of your boating needs for the day. Also new for 2026 is this pop-up table. This is really convenient for when you have snacks on board. You can also store things underneath in here. And in the front, here are those nice new armrests for 2026. I also like Premier's transparent doors so you can see where you're docking. Again, we just got this boat in at MarineMax Nisswa. Come visit us today or see it on our website.